Maraming matataas ang grado, pero di talaga automatic na sila ay aasenso sa buhay. Bakit? May mga tao na likas na matatalino, konting basa lang, kuha agad. They don't exert much effort, kumbaga. Meron ding buong gabi nang nag-aaral, pero paglabas ng grado ay 75. Ano ang kaibahan? Yung di gaano matalino ay nasanay na mag-focus ng matagal na panahon para siya ay pumasa. Di lang nga niya likas ang talent ng academics, kaya okay lang yung grado niya. Di niya alam, may nangyayari na pala sa kanya. Nasanay siyang mag-focus, mag-concentrate kahit hirap. Sanay rin siyang madapa at bumangon. Dahil ganun din naman ang buhay, di ba? Yung likas na matatalino, di sanay sa matagalang focus dahil madali lang naman sa kanya. Di rin sila nakaka-experience masyado ng kamalian. Always on top of the situation sila, which is di yan totoo sa real life. Yung nakadevelop ng mataas na level na focus at yung i-apply niya sa likas niyang talento, doon siya biglang aasenso. The key to success is your ability to remain focused, developing a skill or talent that you are good at. So your child needs to discover that. How? Teach them this quote. What is difficult for others but easy for you is talent. What is difficult for talent but easy for you is genius. So don't worry about grades as long as your kid is developing the skills of prolonged focus on every subject to pass it. That's okay. Someday he or she will discover his or her talents. Combining focus and talent is the key. The truth is, not everyone is gifted academically. Some are in speech, some are in analysis, some are in skills, some are in drawing, some in video making, some in selling, some in cooking, some in sports, some in human relationships, leadership, so on and so forth. Don't get me wrong. Having good grades is already an advantage, but it's not the final say. So if your child can easily top the class, expose him or her to something different that will challenge him or her to practice his or her level of focus for a long time para po ma-develop yung sakripisyo at pagtitiis. Salamat po.
Super agree talaga ako kay Dr. Mata about sa bagay na to. Kaya ginawa kong background audio dito sa aking reels.